Have you ever reached for a quick, satisfying snack that keeps you full and energized, but wondered if you are eating the right amount? Hard-boiled eggs are often a go-to choice, but exactly how many should you enjoy to support your health goals? For most healthy adults, a healthy serving of hard-boiled eggs typically ranges from 1 to 2 eggs per day. This amount offers significant nutritional benefits without exceeding recommended dietary guidelines, especially when aiming for weight management. The why behind this recommendation lies in the egg's impressive nutritional profile and our evolving understanding of dietary fats. Each large hard-boiled egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, essential vitamins like D and B12, and important minerals such as selenium and choline. Historically, there was concern about the cholesterol in egg yolks contributing to heart disease. However, modern scientific consensus generally agrees that for most healthy individuals, dietary cholesterol has less impact on blood cholesterol levels than saturated and trans fats. Therefore, the total amount of saturated fat and overall calories in your diet are more important considerations than the cholesterol from a few eggs. To make the most of your hard-boiled egg serving, consider how they fit into your overall dietary pattern. For a filling breakfast, pair 1 or 2 eggs with a slice of whole grain toast and some fresh fruit. As a snack, combine an egg with a handful of vegetables like carrot sticks or bell pepper slices for added fiber and nutrients. If you are tracking your calorie intake, remember to account for the approximately 78 calories per large egg. Always balance your egg consumption with other protein sources throughout your day and focus on a varied diet. Beyond their protein punch, eggs offer unique benefits. The yolk, for instance, is a rich source of choline, a vital nutrient for brain health and metabolism. Eggs also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. Moreover, eggs are considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, making them incredibly effective at promoting satiety and muscle repair. So, while 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs a day is a great guideline for many, the key is integrating them thoughtfully into a balanced eating plan. They are a convenient, nutrient-dense option that can effectively support your weight management journey and overall well-being, keeping you satisfied and nourished.